Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to batch insert paid holidays to each employee's time log attendance for your managing department instead of individually via the employee time log view. Using a manager or the global administrator user account. Select Tasks, Time Log, and Requests on the left menu bar. Then select the Absence Batch Entry feature option. Note: only the department or departments that is managed by the manager is visible. When logged in as the global administrator, all departments in your organization are visible. Select Statutory Holiday from the Absence Type drop list, or the absence type for the batch time log entry. Select or enter the absent date. Enter the holiday name, or any applicable comments in the notes field. Then select the department or departments of the employees. Then proceed to click the Propagate button. Click OK to confirm. This will then insert the absent date, such as the statutory holiday for all active respective employees for the select department or departments. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.